how about price increases? So I've found that a very, very good time to increase my product prices is the 1st of January every year. It's a time that is kind of considered as normal in the minds of consumers. It doesn't surprise anybody, and it's easy to implement. I find that December time is holiday time, and January is sometimes quiet for business, so it can be a great time to tinker with the numbers in the business. So it's a good time for me to work them out, and a great time psychologically to implement them for my customers. If you have a product where your raw materials fluctuate quite frequently, for example, our dyes are imported, and we're very, very, very linked to exchange rates. It is sometimes necessary to put our prices up twice a year, 3 times a year. If you explain to your customers that it is linked to an exchange rate challenge, they will accept price increases at a strange time. But don't be scared to increase your prices. Quietly let everybody know, send out a notification and put them up. If you don't put your prices up, people don't take you seriously, because a serious business person has to keep up with rising costs. So if you don't ever put your prices up, people don't take you as seriously. So don't be scared to do it. Do it every year, and make sure that it's in line with your rising costs. If your raw materials have gone up, don't just thumbsuck an amount, work it out. If your raw materials have gone up 20%, then that's what you have to put your prices up by. Work it out, make it real, so that your rising costs don't one day swallow you, and then you suddenly don't understand why you're not making ends meet. And it's because you haven't put your prices up in time.